Hi everyone, this is Clarissa from Clarissa Explains It All, and I have two special people here with me today. Here's my daughter Tatum.
Hi.
And my son Reese.
Hi.
And we are super excited because Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is coming out on DVD and Blu-ray. Do you know when?
September 18th.
So
close.
Yeah, it is so close, you're right. So in order to get even more excited for this, I mean, we are like super excited, aren't we, for this?
Yes.
We're literally going to dig in to this Universal Pictures. They created with Walmart, a Walmart exclusive limited edition Blu-ray Funko gift set. I mean, that's a mouthful of really cool gifts to celebrate this. A mouthful of fun to celebrate this exciting movie. So the exclusive limited edition gift set, it comes with 2-pack set Funko Pocket Pop keychains. Do you know who, I think you already peeked at the keychains and were playing with them, weren't you?
Yes.
And who are the keychains of?
This is Owen and his beloved Raptor Blue.
Blue. So they are two main characters of the movie Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. So that comes in the exclusive limited edition gift set. And my kids are already busy playing with those. So there you go. Oh, you chose Owen. You can have him. And why do they call him Blue? Do you know why?
Because he has these blue stripes on him.
He does, and he's really cute, isn't he?
Yes.
So let's keep on digging here, guys. We have our mission, if we choose to accept it, which I think we will.
Yes.
Mission Guide, Jurassic World. This is a excavation kit inside here. I'm really excited for this because you can kind of create your own and do it yourself, which is really cool. It's a really exciting and fun way, and just a unique way to celebrate the movie. You could do this kit before the movie. You could have a party and watch the movie and then do the kit. Oh, you know what else comes in the box?
What? A Walmart gift card.
So that means you could get more stuff to celebrate the movie. Really cool stuff.
It's a $10 gift card.
$10 Walmart gift card. And here is our tools that we need. Do you want to open those up?
Yes, I do.
So inside this little pouch here are all the tools we need for a proper excavation. A hammer, 2 chisels, and a brush. Very good. So our mission is to uncover the secrets of the DNA sample enclosed. You will find the bones of one of 4 dinosaurs. We can log our findings in this booklet right here and help identify. We can pretty much kind of be like our own little scientists here. This is really cool.
Yeah.
We can feel a little bit like we're in the movie, because in the movie, they're always looking for dinosaurs, right? That is it. So out of these dinosaurs, we have Tyrannosaurus Rex, so a T-Rex, Triceratops,
Stegosaurus,
and a Velociraptor. Which one do you hope we find?
Triceratops.
Triceratops, or
Oh.
Stegosaurus.
Or Stegosaurus? Okay. Let's hold on. Why don't you hold on to Owen and Blue? Let's show everybody what's in here. Oh my, so
Whoa.
very fragile DNA sample, do not contaminate. Ooh,
Wonder what's inside.
let's see. Open up the paper here. So it's wrapped up in some paper. Oh my,
Wow.
let me take this out. Why don't you move the box? So here is our excavation kit. And the kids will have to get to work on this in order to find out what dinosaur we have. I mean, this is really cool. So the kit, again, it's a Walmart limited edition, a Walmart exclusive limited edition Blu-ray Funko gift set. So you want to check that out because it comes with, you can play with Blue and Owen yourself, right?
Yes.
And
it
watch
also
the movie.
and then watch the movie. So you can play, watch Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, which comes out on DVD and Blu-ray again when?
September 18th.
September 18th. That's just around the corner. So, and then when you're done, you can have your own excavating party and find out. Everybody can, vote on a certain dinosaur, guess which one it is, have a really good time there, huh?
Yes. And then everybody goes in.
Yep, everybody can.
You
Everybody
can
can.
have a whiteboard with the names of the dinosaurs, and then everyone can put a tally mark next to the dinosaur they won.
Next to the one they want, and then you can compare it against the movie too. So I hope you get out there and purchase this gift set because it's really, really cool. I think your kids will love it. After they're done playing with the keychains, they can put them on their book bags and carry them around with them. They're adorable, aren't they?
Yes.
I really like these. So get out there, get the Walmart exclusive limited edition Blu-ray Funko gift set, watch the movie, create an excavating kit, and start getting to work. You're having some fun.
Yes.
Yes.
I hope you all enjoy Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. We're going to enjoy it, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
It's going to be fun.
Oh yeah.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.